Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Elementor in WordPress. First, navigate to your WordPress dashboard, then go to Plugins and click Add New. Search for Elementor, install it, and activate the plugin. Once activated, you'll see the Edit with Elementor option on your pages and posts. This opens the intuitive visual editor, ready for your design work. Now, let's build. Click the plus icon to add a new section, then choose your column structure. From the left panel, simply drag and drop widgets like headings, images, or text blocks into your columns. Click on any element to open its settings, allowing you to easily adjust colors, fonts, and spacing to match your brand's aesthetic. It's incredibly intuitive. To elevate your designs, explore Elementor's extensive template library for quick starts or specific sections. Remember to check your responsive settings to ensure your site looks perfect on desktops, tablets, and mobile phones. You can also set global fonts and colors, and even design entire theme parts like headers and footers, ensuring a cohesive look across your entire WordPress site. Before going live, always use the preview option to see how your page will appear to visitors. Once you are satisfied, click Publish. Remember to optimize your images and content for faster loading times, which greatly improves user experience. Also, for some great deals, including that awesome car air freshener, check out the links in the description below. Happy designing!
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.